Hi there. Welcome. If you are an international student of civil engineering or in a trade program or on a postgraduate work permit after completion of your study in Canada, or a newcomer in Canada or like to come to Canada or apply for PR for Canada, and if you're looking for a profession or a job in the construction industry of Canada, this video is for you. I will share with you a snapshot of construction-related jobs availability in October 2024 and a forecast for another 3 years. I will also share with you a tip on how to get construction work or its related jobs in Canada. This is the fourth video in the series to support international students and new immigrants to Canada. Our channel is new. We started our journey just in September 2024. Please subscribe our videos and channel to enable us to continue the good work. I am Muhammad Anis. Let's get started. I have found following different vacancy numbers related to construction on key job boards across Canada in October 2024, which is as below. Construction Project Manager, 2,000 plus. Civil Engineer, 3,000 plus. Construction Coordinator, around 600. On-Site Coordinator, 200 plus. Construction Estimator, about 800. Civil Engineering Technician, 400 plus. Construction Worker, 4344. Construction Laborer, 3,700 plus. Electric Construction Engineer, 2,000 plus. Construction Electrician, 2,800 plus. Plumbing Jobs, 4,000 plus. Carpenter, about 5,000. Finishing Carpenter, 700 plus. HVAC Technician, 400 plus, estimate. HVAC Helper, 400 plus, estimate. Construction Safety Officer, 100 plus. CAD Designer, 2,100 plus. AutoCAD Draftsman, about 200. Before I discuss on considering these jobs, let us talk about the outlook of the construction industry and its related skills. It is expected by the analysis that there will be a growth of 2% plus in next 3 years. However, most of the construction-related positions are also providing services to the existing facilities. So, most of the skills will have the job opportunities. Construction jobs can be categorized into 4 groups, depending upon the level of their responsibility and specialization. 1. Jobs that may or may not require professional engineer designation and require 3 to 10 years of experience of Canadian construction industry. May or may not have PMP, like civil engineer, construction project manager. As a graduate student, you can get co-op opportunity to work and get experience while working with the civil engineers and project managers. 2. Jobs that do not need professional engineer designation may require a degree or diploma in civil. The construction project management or coordination experience is required. May or may not have PMP. It may or may not require Canadian experience, but CAD experience is usually needed. Example of jobs are construction, on-site coordinators, or project coordinators. You can get co-op opportunities, and new graduates are also hired. 3. Jobs that require a trade certificate and/or certification and experience in the areas like electric, plumbing, finishing carpentry, HVAC, and CAD. May or may not require Canadian experience. You can get apprenticeship opportunity as well. These jobs are also physically demanding. 4. Worker and helper jobs with no formal technical education but have some or no experience. These jobs are physically demanding. Now let us talk about the employers. Construction projects are done by international and local contracting firms, medium and small contractors and vendors. Usually, there are more than one contractor involved in any construction project. If you got your professional education in Canada or got the co-op program, this will help you to understand the latest techniques and technology used, the regulations of Canada, and about the materials. This also helps you to make contacts with employers. Many firms hire the graduates who do their co-op program with them. Municipalities, regulatory bodies, service organizations, research institutes, and development organizations do hire civil engineers and technicians. The tip: when you apply for any position, modify your resume to be best fit for that position. One resume will not work for all types of positions. You can watch my other videos related to the in-demand courses and jobs in Canada. As we have shared with you, most of the skills you learn or have the experience in the construction industry are also useful for your own DIY projects and to get jobs in the residential and commercial repair and maintenance of buildings. Please reach out through comment section for any questions or clarifications. You are welcome to share your experience in Canada for the benefits of international students and newcomers. Good luck and